welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka Beautymagz. In today's video, it's going to be an exciting portion. It's going to be an exciting moment, right? Because when you do a haul, it's very exciting, right? These products are very like useful to me. So if interested, let's do a Shopee haul unboxing! This is my first time shopping in Shopee. Sana naman, Shopee! Okay guys, I just have a few items here and I'm excited to tell you what are the items are. So, I have a few. One, get two, and then three. Actually, one I already opened it, so because I was excited. But all of these three items I shop it at one time, like one night. Okay, during the 12/12. It took a while for the packages to arrive. So here it is. Let's do it. Okay, first item, since I already opened it, I did an Instagram photo shot with this product right here. So it is what? So here it is, guys. So the courier is Entrigo. Entrigo, you're good. So for my experience with you, this is my rating for you. You're good. You send a message like a day before, and then most likely it's like a day after. The courier that handles the package is very nice, very friendly. Okay, so that's my rating for you guys. Entrigo, you're good. Okay, so okay, here you go, guys. So this is a eye primer, like that. I just opened it, but I never opened the package. Like, is it nice? Is it, I don't know, I didn't really. So let's open. I already taken a photo of this. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Like, it's very, I don't know, very social. Diba social siya? Oh, diba? O-to-o. I have a MAC paint pot and I wanted to find a dupe for it. Is this the one? Can it makes a dupe for MAC paint pot? I don't know. Okay, let's open, guys. Exciting. Oh, creamy base. It's creamy. Huh? I really like the packaging, no? It has a, it's their emblem. Wait, it's their emblem right here. Wait, it's very, okay, they have their emblem and then their name of the company, and then it's a creamy base. Okay, let's, oh, it's creamy, and let's swatch it. Oh, it's very light. I thought it was more like pigmented. Oh, but it's very smooth though. Oh, this has potential, guys. Potential. No smell as well. So I bought it for 99 pesos plus 100 shipping. So far so good, guys. I like it. It has the potential for a dupe for MAC paint pot. Next item is going to be, what is it? Oh, I remember it. Same company, Entrigo, the courier. Okay, let's open this, guys. I don't know if I can open it by hand or I need a cover or something. I can't open it. Oh, Christmas. Too late. And then, oh, tiny. Very tiny. How come it's so tiny? But it looks nice, no? It's like a concealer. Yes, foundation. But come on, it's a foundation. But my game foundation. I was expecting to have more of it. And this only has 15 ml. So this is what it looks like. So when you open, Oh, parang concealer lang siya. Ano ba yun? I wasn't really expecting to like more of a product. 15 ml lang pala siya. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is from Sassy Lady, and this is their matte long wear foundation. This is what it looks like. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, so for the price tag again, I will leave it here to be exact. Okay, so and I got in the shade, what shade am I? So I got in the shade 05 medium. Okay, right, so again, this is the foundation. Very tiny, guys. Oh, look at my hand. Parang siyang ano siya, it's just like a concealer thing. I was expecting to be a bit bigger, you know. And then 15 ml. This is just half of a standard liquid foundation. The next one is okay, this is from the courier is JT Express. So they're doing a good job as well. This arrives before Christmas, so really good. I didn't open it because I wanted to get all the packages intact in one shot.
Dude, I don't know what's in there. A box?
Oh, it's well packaged, right? That's nice. Okay, let's cut it.
Of chocolate.
Okay, this is it, guys. Ooh. Are you surprised?
Another box.
Whoa, another box, styrofoam, and voila! This is what I got. This is a photo video light. Okay, I have one of these, like two of these. One get boom, shaklak. One got exploded because of the voltage. Okay, so I got this for $2.98, but $2.98 or something. So this is a replacement, but the good thing about this one is the voltage is 220, diba? At least now my light's still gonna be like the same, but the other one is 110 because it's from USA. This is from China. So we'll see what's the difference, but I believe it's still the same. Watts is 150 watts, so it's about the same with what I got. So yeah, and these are all the products that I got from Shopee, and so far so good. Only dugay lang, no? Kaso lang matagal silang mag-deliver, no? Okay na, I get used to like Amazon, like 2 to 3 days or 1 week. But this time it's like, you know, like 2 to 3 weeks. It's okay. It's still worth buying from Shopee. If you want me to do a review for these products that I got, please comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also, please like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye!